This is a quick video to show you guys how I installed a power inverter on a Freightliner Cascadia. I bought this Duracell. This is 3000 watts. This is the model. In case you are planning to install one in your truck, this is a good power inverter. I'll show you the way I installed it, the way I ran the cables. So I still haven't run this control. I'll probably put it on top, but just for now I have it right here. And I already plugged in a vacuum. So if I turn this on, it'll start the vacuum. So let me show you. So there it goes, it's working. So let me show you the way I installed this. It's only two cables, a positive and a negative. I'm gonna remove this so I can show you the back. So as you can see right here, so this is the negative and the red one is a positive. It's pretty simple to install. And this is the ground in case you want to ground it. I didn't ground mine, but if you want to ground it, you can just put a wire from here to somewhere in the truck. Just find a bolt so you can ground it. And I also didn't put a fuse. It's up to you if you want to put the fuse on, but I didn't put it. And as you can see, I drilled a hole right here and just ran the wires through here. So I just drill this hole, ran the wires, and drill another hole right here. This is by the seat. I'll show you right now from the bottom. So I just drill this hole, and I also put this. So I put this type of plastic cover on the positive, just in case I don't want metal touching the wires. So I put the plastic right here and also on this one, and just ran the two cables through the middle of that plastic cover. So let me show you the way they look on the bottom where the batteries go. So this is the way it looks from the bottom. As you can see right here, that's where the cables come down. I'm still gonna put silicone right here. I'm gonna put some silicone just in case, so they won't move. And that's this is the positive, the other one's the negative, and they go straight into the batteries. So let me. So that one's this is the positive, and I got the negative right here. So it's a very simple way to install. It is going to take some time, and hopefully this video helps you to install your power inverter.